Anyway, let us begin this session from the first tool. So, tag by category. Defined by the name, it attaches a tag to an element based on the element category. So if we click on it, and then if I have already loaded a tag for this selected category like walls, windows, doors, others. But if I haven't loaded a tag for the floors, for instance, then I have to load a new tag for the category of floor, okay? If we click on yes, then the load family window will appear. Then we open the annotations. Afterwards, we should look for the floor tags in architectural metric floor tag. I click and then I load it. Right now I can add the tags on the floors like this way. So here it is, but if we click on no, nothing will appear. And in option bar we got some tools, for instance horizontal or vertical. Watch this. We can specify the justification or based on the model like this way. The next one, we can manage the tag, the loaded tags. For instance, I search for doors. Here we got a door tag. As you can see, I can click on load family in order to replace a new tag, 50 metric door tag. For instance, I open one of the door tags here like this way, and then I replace it as the default one, and I place it like this way. But why do we select it? Since we don't have the type selectors for the tags, so we have to click on loaded tags and symbols in order to change the type. This is the difference of tag to other elements. And if I uncheck the leader, watch this, the leader will be attached to the element, but if we add the leader, we can modify the leader length, and I can add the uh, tag free and or attach to the elements. So these are the option bars in tags. And also here we got some options for leaders and hosts. For instance, if I click on add or remove hosts, then I can associate multiple elements to one tag like this way. And also we can merge the leaders like this way, and also we can keep one tag or merge them, or we can customize them to remove some of them or add them or reset them like this way. And we got the merge leaders. As you can see, we merge them together. Suppose that here we got some structural columns up to level 2 for the height, like this way. I add them. That we have used only one type, like for reinforcement and others. Then annotation, tag by category. Then I click on it. However, here the tag is not loaded for the structural columns, so I load one. Then I open the metric library, annotation, structural, then metric columns, column tag. Let me see, structural columns, tags. I load it. Then add or remove host. Afterwards, I specify the hosts, and then I want to merge them all. Okay? Here, as you can see, if we have two tags instead of one, for instance, it is because the command has been cancelled for once. So let me delete them in order to merge them together. Can select it, then add or remove hosts. We can add more hosts for this tag. Modify, then we merge them all like this way. Check it out. And we talked about the rest of the options before. So by this way we can add the tags and then arrange them.